What's up guys? Today we are doing something absolutely different, absolutely incredible. Right over here, let's see, right back here, hopefully. We have a whole bunch of new computer parts, and I'm gonna be giving away one lucky subscriber a brand new gaming PC. It's gonna be absolutely incredible. I've wanted to do this, like, you know, since I hit 1M subs, and obviously, if the world shut down last year, that wasn't possible. So, yeah, let's go ahead and, you know, here's like the parts. Let's go ahead and give you guys a close-up. We got a Ryzen 7 3700X. We got a B550 board. We got a 3070. Good case. And most importantly, the winning smile. Yes, we do have a winning smile in here. It's going to make sure this the person that gets this will win every single game. And, yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. Before we get started with the build, a huge shout out to Filmora for sponsoring this video. I am currently here inside of Filmora getting ready to make my own video. And why use Filmora, you might ask? Well, because it is incredibly easy to use, regardless if you're new to video content creation or if you've been doing it for years like I have. So over here you can see there is a built-in audio library. You have all these songs that are copyright free. You can use them in your videos without, you know, worrying about getting striked on YouTube. I know that's very important to you guys. Also, there's plenty of title screens, transitions, effects, and most importantly, there's an auto reframe feature which lets you create YouTube Shorts videos from gameplay footage. So there's even these crazy cool green screen effects here. Let's go ahead and take the explosion effect. You put it down here, click on green screen, and watch the video play. Boom! Let's make this, you know, thing crazy big. Move it around a little bit. Here we go. Look at all this, alright? Yeah, we can just explode the tomb inside a jailbreak here. And here is the effect. The entire tomb can just, you know, go up in flames. Go ahead and check out for more. Link in the description down below. Also in the Apple Mac App Store. And, yeah, back to the video. Alright, we are now here. This is my friend Ivy, and she is going to be getting this new computer. And you're gonna be doing like streaming, VR, all sorts of games and like everything, maybe like just basically computer stuff that's really demanding. So I guess we just go ahead and start the build now. Do you wanna go? Just like pick the first part you think goes in the build. Yeah, it's your first time building, right?
Yeah, it's my first time building a PC, but it's gonna be fun.
Yeah, it's gonna win.
I wanna start with the big yellow box.
This one, yeah, we could, except we'll need the case, and yeah. Alright, go ahead and open that thing up. Yeah, that looks like a power supply, maybe? Not sure, maybe it is.
What do you mean?
I'm just playing it as a power supply. So, yeah, go ahead and take that out. You said you wanted to start with it. It might be a little heavy. But yeah, we don't need the manual. Toss that over there.
No one reads the manual.
Yeah, no one really does. Okay, so we have this. I personally have never started with the power supply in a build before, but
what do you mean?
I guess. Okay, so where does the power supply go? Yeah, let's get the case.
Yeah.
It actually does go in the case. Let's get this case out.
Everything goes in there.
Yeah, here you go. Here's a good chunky boy. I guess, no, this is a smaller case, but you know, it should fit everything in there. Assuming, well, actually it does. I'm just playing. It definitely fits everything. I wouldn't have brought all the parts here that like don't work with each other. That would just be that's what you would call rigged. Before we put this in there, this is a modular power supply, so we need to put like cables in the back. But yeah, just find the cables that look like they're important in there. Now we have cables. We have case. How do we connect them?
Yes, you said down here though, right?
Yeah. Seems like we have a minor cat invasion right here. And you're gonna watch a cat steal the screws. It was literally a cat. Yeah, this is a cat attack, quite literally. I think we have a cat attacking the screws right now. This is like some minor technical difficulties. Okay, so yeah, we have this. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of peely stuff. You might want to peel those peely stuff off. Oh yeah, the peels are really satisfying, trust me. If you've ever built a computer, you gotta peel everything very slowly. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think is the most satisfying part, if you have done this before. But yeah, I guess that technically would work. Yeah, it technically would, because they all have to go in here eventually. It's better to do it like one way, but as long as you get to the end result, you're fine, right? Okay, so yeah, we have a 1TB SSD in that thing. Yeah, that's what it looks like. At least, hopefully, maybe, probably. Yeah, that's just a joke. Alright, so what looks like it can hold one of those things? It might be underneath things.
Underneath things?
Yeah, it might be underneath some things with screws on them.
The screws?
Yeah, there are screws. You see there's like a horizontal bar with screws on there?
Yeah. Okay.
Let's try the top one. Maybe. Not that one. Maybe this one. That's this one.
Okay. That's what I thought. But then
Yeah,
you said
no, it's the top. That's
one.
what I was referring to, the top versus the bottom. Not that, that's like a different top.
Oh, okay.
That's like way up there. Try just pushing it in until the gold stuff is like hidden. Yeah. And now push it down. Now we gotta screw it in.
We should have let the cat decide what to go, what to.
Yeah, the cat, you just point the cat's paw and be like, cat purrs. There it is. Okay, so yeah, there's one thing installed. Now there's something big.
Big.
And heavy, maybe.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, last time people said I went too easy. I'm going like really like all out tricky this time, so hopefully.
Maybe it's this one.
Maybe it is. Alright, you gotta be very careful with this. You don't want to bend a pin. If you bend a pin, you're kind of screwed.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
That makes me feel reassured.
Very. Maybe flip it the other way. Yeah, that looks better. It makes me feel better because I bought it. Alright, so now we just gotta figure out how it goes in. It looks like there's a thing that goes up. Maybe. Possibly.
Yes.
Out and then up. Yeah, that looks like it worked. Now you just gotta align it properly. And there's like a, I think a golden triangle on one side. Yeah, there is a golden triangle on one side. And there's another like dot, a white dot on the board. Or the easy trick, the logo points to the right.
You're scaring me.
The right side up is the right. That's the easy way because they usually work like that. There it goes. Now let me just double check. Yeah, that looks like it's in. And boom, there's our first CPU install.
Yay!
Yay! Now is the tricky part. We have another thing in the box. Okay, so yeah, we have a CPU cooler of some sorts. That's what it looks like, right?
Sure.
Okay, so you have the logo, right? And the logo should go right side up. Like, no, this one like goes that way because you have this tab, right? So you have this thing and this thing, and then the same on the other side. Yeah.
Okay.
Just keep this wire out of the way, and as long as this goes in, you should be able to get it in. Now, I think you gotta secure it somehow. Just pull the lever.
Pull it?
Yeah, pull it. Pull. It requires a little bit of force. Yeah, keep pulling. Keep pulling.
More?
Pull. Pull the lever. Pull this. This is a museum in jailbreak. You gotta pull it. Yeah, all the way, I think. Yup. There we go.
What?
Yeah, all the way. Like, boom. It required a big chunk of force.
Okay. I
Yup.
thought I was gonna break it.
Nope, it's still on. It's on both sides, like the metal there.
Okay.
But yeah,
Yay!
now we just plug this thingamajig in. That's why I pulled the museum up. Maybe that's why it's so hard for people to pull the museum. It's like, but yeah, go get the cable in. The cable should be a lot easier than that. Yep. All right. So yeah, this looks about right. I mean, it doesn't look too crooked. There's one last thing. Yeah, we have some dedicated RAM. How much dedicated RAM do you need to run a Minecraft server?
If you don't have enough RAM, you can download more RAM on downloadmoreram.com.
Yes.
Instead of buying stuff, you can just download free RAM.
Download the dedicated RAM.
Why do we buy RAM?
I don't know. Yeah, we could have downloaded it. It hasn't clicked yet. You gotta apply a good chunk of force on them. And they have RGB on them as well. You got, this is RGB, I think. This is RGB. There's like some on here. And I think the case stands are RGB as well. So yeah, this thing got like RGB for days. And yeah, so now we have basically a computer here minus the GPU, but other than that, this technically would work if we just put the video card in. So now I think we just need to put it in a safer spot. Okay, so now we just need to put this into that, and then we do like the final thing, cable manage it, and should be good. You can grab it like here. It's secured on there plenty well. And it goes in, yeah, they're like, yeah, I guess that looks logically correct. Yeah, we just gotta, put some screws in there, you know, get it tightened up so don't, you know, come out and, you know, become the imposter or something. I don't know. But yeah, we have the motherboard screws installed now. There's no way this thing's coming out. There's just no way. Alright, so we did the cable management off camera because, let's be honest, who wants to watch that? There's one thing left. The beast itself. This thing is literally impossible to find. We got it somehow and paid a reasonable price for it. Nothing too crazy. $30.70. Let's do it. Let's put the $30.70 in there. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh yeah, look at this. This thing is an absolute freaking beast here. I'll take the protective thingamajig off. We don't need that right now. We can peel all this stuff off before putting it in. Go for it. This is the moment that, like, should be the best one, right? You put the video card in.
Yay!
Now we just gotta screw it in, plug the cables in, and it's good. Peel it. Peel this sucker. Just go for it. Go for this thing. Yeah.
Yay!
There it is. Actually, now we just need to plug the cables in.
Yay!
Nice. Alright, just double checking here. Now we just lift it up. Alright, you want to turn it on? You want to do it? Okay, press the power button. You're just trolling.
Yes. There we go.
There we go. Yup. Holy crap, that looks good. I think the case RGB, we need to like toggle it around. Yeah, look at that. Okay, there we go.
Okay.
That's what I'm talking about. This looks so thing. Is the monitor turned on though?
No.
I don't think the monitor's turned on either, because it would have showed something by now. Yep, there's the light. And let's see what it says. Okay. I think we have it. It looks like it has booted for the first time successfully. Congrats.
Yay!
Let's get back here. Oh man, this looks... Yeah, this is interesting. It says F1 run setup. That is good. That is what you are supposed to see. So yeah, now we're just gonna install Windows, load into a few games, play around, and it's gonna be amazing, right?
Yeah.
Let's do that.
I'm so excited.
Alright, so we are currently inside a jailbreak. You can probably see over here, and it's running really well. Oh, you just busted someone. Yeah, jump out and then press 2, get the handcuffs. Just play some jailbreak here.
How do I run?
You shift. Just like any other running game. Okay, but yeah, like that guy, Refy just escaped. Let's run to the jewelry store or something, but if you see over here, I'm gonna just point over this way. The FPS is kind of crazy. I mean, it's a busy server. It's only getting like, you know, only getting 80, 90, 100, something like that. Do you want to peel the side panel?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I love the alarm in the background.
Yep, we are, you know, robbing the peel. Yes. Rip, I think someone's shooting you, but there's the peel. I guess I'll go ahead and wrap it up here for building a new computer. You know, you're just gonna do like streaming and stuff on it. We'll get like all that set up here. We just wanted to see how much FPS it gets in jailbreak because that's what matters. One of the hardest games to run. And yeah, so like, comment, subscribe. Let me know down below what you guys think. And yeah, see you next time.
Bye bye.